So this week's Daily Geography is talking about a map grid. We're in week 4. We're looking at a map of the state of Louisiana. We have some of our state symbols on here. We have the pelican. We have their flower. Things to notice on the map. We do have a compass rose. North is up. That means south is down. West is over here on the left, and east is over here on the right. We have a legend that tells us the state capital has a star, cities have dots, and the state border is this dotted line. We have an index, which is only partially done. I'm betting they're going to have us put some stuff in there before the end of the week. And then we have this very, very prominent grid. Now, almost every map has a grid on it, but sometimes it's not very obvious and you have to look very, very carefully for it. And sometimes they'll put the letters and the numbers on, and then they won't actually draw the lines. So you kind of have to do that with your own mind and your own memory. So we are going to look at this grid. And then basically we can tell where any town is by looking at what box it's in for letters and what box it's in for numbers. The first question for Monday says, which city is located at B1? So I'm going to check B, which is between this line and this line, so it's somewhere in here, and 1, so it's between here and here. Now where those two intersect, so the 1 and the B, so it's at both B and 1 is this box right here. And there's only one town in that box. Now I know I said I wanted complete sentences, and I would love complete sentences, but we have a lot of people having troubles fitting that on the line. So for now, just go ahead and put your answer on the line, the city that is in B1. Number 2, in which grid square is the city of Alexandria located? Well, there's 2 ways I can do that. First, I could go down here and I could find Alexandria, which is right here, and I could say, well, it's in the letter here, and it's in the number here. Remember, the letter is coming first on all of our examples. Or they actually put Alexandria down on my index. So even if I couldn't find it on the map, I could say Alexandria is in that box right there. And that's the answer I would put in number 2.